Okay, this is a hip flexor stretch. It's another one. There's quite a few that we do. This one, the reason for the different ones is that you'll feel all of them slightly differently. So this one you might feel here, but it tends to be felt more in the hip flexors on the side of the hip here. So I've put the bar in the third slot again. At this time, the foot is up here as if you're doing a quad stretch. And slide yourself down, hang on a sec, take the front foot forward and then tilt and then lean forward with the arms straight. So you might need to take your arms a bit lower. Good. Lean the hips forward first, and then if that's a good and different stretch for you than what you felt before, you can stay with that one in your own time. What we're going to do this time is rotate the hip that we're stretching towards the ladder a bit. Does that change it for you to here? Yeah, okay. So hold that there. Okay, now just ignore that bell. Press your back leg forward into the bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Take a breath in. And see if you can go rotate a bit further and lean further as well. And again, keep a little bit of tension in the abdominal muscles so that the back doesn't arch too much. Kenji, you probably can't see from there, she's taken this thigh out to the side more. That's fine, absolutely fine. How's that stretch feel? Strong down the side there. And she's lowered her hands, that's all right. Her back is still quite vertical. So slow breaths as always, 3 or 4 seconds in, 3 or 4 seconds out. You might notice with the tension in the tummy there that your breathing becomes a bit more into the sides, which is fine and normal. As she finishes this one, just before you just come back a little bit, Kenji, I'm not going to show you the full this other variation, but just show you briefly. If you open the hips this way and lean forward, you'll feel the stretch more in your inner thighs. Is that where you're getting it now? Yeah. So that's another variation, some inner thigh muscles and maybe the ones that run across here as well. Okay, but that's something we'll explore another time. Let's come out of there and we'll try the other side. Okay, I'll shift that over a bit. So again, slide your knee down, tuck, and then lean forward. And then rotate the hip that you're stretching towards the ladder. Yep. How's that feel? So as always, ask yourself, am I getting a stretch? First of all, where and how strong is the stretch? Then you can proceed from there. Now let's contract. So you can bring the back thigh, press it into the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And then on a breath out, good timing there, just go a little further, rotate a bit further. Just lean your chest back a little. Yep. Careful the lower back doesn't arch. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, we've got the bar in the third slot here. So that's probably, if you're doing this stretch, that's probably about where you can manage it. If you go further back, it'll just be a bit stronger again. Okay, there's the second bell. So let's come out of there slowly. And we move on to the next one.